Hey loves, it's your girl Kiki and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to be doing a side part sewing. I'm going to be doing a bob today. I did already pre-braid my hair. I'm going to link the video down below of the inspiration for my braid down. I got my inspiration from Simone Charisse. Again, I'm gonna link her video down below. She actually did a middle part, but I did a side part, but basically I used the concepts from that video. What she made sure she did was she made her anchor braids fairly small, and then the rest of her braids were fairly big, mainly because like her, I'm not gonna leave my hair in long, so I didn't really feel a need to do small braids, but I'm going to give you a 360 and show you my hair. So yeah, if you are a returning subscriber, hey, how you doing, boo? I'm happy to see you. If you are new to my channel, hello to you too. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like this video if you enjoy it or find anything helpful from it. So yeah, that's enough talking from me. So let's get into the video. All right, y'all. So for the hair that we're using today, we are using the main concept Pristine Queen 100% human hair. I'm going to be using a 1B and a OT 1B 30. I'm trying to go for like that kind of highlight look, so I'm gonna be like alternating between the two colors. This is in the Yaky straight and it's 16 inches. And here's the OT 1B 30 out of the pack. The hair is so soft, you all. Oh my goodness. This is gonna be so cute. And y'all, it says this hair is 100% human hair. It's soft, yaky texture. It has long-lasting luster. It's tangle and shed free, perfect for curling and styling, and minimal maintenance. It says you can wash this hair, and it gives you the instructions on how to do so. So yeah, let me thread my needles, and I will be back. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna start with the 1B track. And I have my needle. All right, y'all, so what I did was I alternated. I did 2 black, 2 blonde, so on and so forth. And now I'm at the top and I ended with a blonde. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to sew a piece of black right here on those anchor braids. And that should close out my sewing. And now we're gonna cut it. All right, y'all. So I'm not gonna lie, I think I messed up the back. But to fix that, we're just gonna bump her a little bit, and yeah, let me turn up the flat iron. Now don't cut the way that I cut. I should have been in front of a mirror, but I'm here in this little iPhone screen, so do better than me, all right? But you know what? Players mess up too, all right? So we're just gonna give her a little bump to try to hide the imperfections. So this is the bob. I love like the color blend, y'all. Seriously. I love how this came out. Well, except for my cut, but we'll work on it. All right, love, so this is the finished product. Again, I used the Main Concept Pristine Queen, 100% human hair. And again, I used the Yaky Straight 16-inch, and I used the 1B, and I used the OT1B30. And this is what the pack looks like. Yeah, overall, I really like this hair. It bumped nicely for me. I think my hair blends fairly well. I'm sure I could have did a little bit better with my leave out, but I really didn't want to put too much heat on it because my hair is struggling a little bit. But yeah, let me know in the comment section how you like this video. Let me know if you try this hair out. This is pack hair, y'all. You find this in the beauty supply store. I want to give a special shout out to Main Concept for sending me this hair. Thank you so much. I used 1.5 pack of the black, and I used almost 1 pack of the blonde. So if you are gonna try this style, I would say get 3 packs. If you want a fuller look, you can get 4, but I always go for like the more natural kind of density look. But that's just my personal preference. But yeah, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, take care, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.